Ladies, it's me, Brandy. I'm hopping on today. I'm making a video. I'm doing some reusable eyelashes today. Lashify lashes. I've got a little lady sitting next to me. She's watching the whole thing. She's learning all the tricks of the trade. So if you hear a little meow in there, it's my little lady. Okay, you guys, Lashify reusable lashes. Are they reusable? What is the verdict on it? We're going over it today. I'm putting lashes on. We're doing girl chat. Coronavirus has been killing all the glam vibes, like hardcore, you guys. But I'm pushing through. I'm making a video today. Let's girl chat. Okay, so the question is Lashify lashes reusable? The question is absolutely. I'm very glad that I have made them reusable, make them workable for me to keep the lashes in my budget. It makes me feel good about reusing them. I don't get worked up about price or my budget or anything like that. I did go ahead and get on the Luxe box, you guys. I'm curious, let me know in the comments, are you on the direct shipments? Do you get them sent to you? I did go ahead and do the every other month because like I said, with all the stuff that's going on, I have been so busy. I have 4 kids. So honestly, like me sitting down and like taking the time to do this, like I need a solid half hour to like really put the lashes on. Some people don't have that. I totally get it. Some kids are in school, some are not. So like for you just to like sit down and have your time together, or, you know, time for yourself, it's a real deal, you guys. So if you're a mom, and we can relate to each other 100%, because I like to look good. There's no question about it every day, whether I stay home or not, because I stay home 90% of the time. I like to look good. So reusing your Lashify is going to make you feel good about the priciness of those lashes. But to be honest with you, they are pricey, but they are so beautiful and they hold up really, really nicely. I personally do the triple bond method, which make sure you click on my other videos below. It will say triple bond method. Click on that one. That gives me the longest wear. I can get easily 7 to 9 days off of that. I like to take them off after that point because I need that deep scrub. So yeah, let's do some lashes. Okay, so you guys know I go in and curl first. That one's curled. I'm gonna curl this one. The reason why I curl it is because I can just see my lashes better, and I use the triple or the double E's. So EE 12s are my favorite. That's what I'm gonna be putting on today. And I need to be able to see when I put the bond on. So if you guys have eyelashes that grow down, curl your eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going in. Oh no. Oh no. This is too much. So, oh no. This might be bad, guys. There was a lot of product on there. And Lashify, one of their top tips is sometimes if your lashes aren't working, you have too much product on there. So I might not be able to do the triple bond. I'm gonna wait and see, okay? Keep watching. Okay, so I just did my first coat. Little bit of excess product on there, so we'll see how this set goes. Another tip is let them dry. Let them dry before you go in and add your next layer, okay? Lashify had a really great tip where they were using like a baby, those nasal baby things, and then of course Lashify has a little, you know, puffer to just, you know, sit there and like dry your eyelashes. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let that set up, and we're gonna do that 3 times. That's the triple bond method, and that is the method so far that I've gotten the best wear from. And today I'm using charcoal flex, so I'll keep you posted on that. You'll see the end result, and we'll chat about it. Okay, so I got 3 applications on, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I like to start on the easiest eye just because the bond really starts to tack up. So I do not go too far over into the corner because I'm 36 and I just really like that lift. I'm gonna go in and pinch right here, you guys. That's the trick with Lashify, is to go in and bond right away. It works really nicely. These have been used, so these are reusables. Okay, these are the double E's. You clean them with 90% alcohol. I'm gonna go right on next. The better, I should probably move this mirror a little bit closer, sorry guys. Okay, let's go in. The closer and the nicer and the neatest line that we get on there, just the better they're gonna hold up, the better they're gonna last, and that takes practice, so don't give up. If you're struggling with your Lashify, just don't give up, because it takes time to like get this stuff down. There's no question about it, but it's worth it. Everything that makes you look beautiful that takes time is worth it. I love them. See, and I'm wondering, like I said, I feel like I over bonded just a tad bit. So that could be another issue that you guys have with your Lashify, is your over bonding. But maybe not. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna go right next to it. You just have to keep playing with it until you guys find a method that works for you. I'm gonna go in right next to it, line it up. Go in, pinch, seal, bond, whatever word you want to use. Just instant glam. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and use a fluffy on that corner. This is a 10F, and I just like to do that for that corner piece right there. I finally got these, and I did go ahead and put the fluffy in my flex order, or my luxe order, is that what it's called? Because I just do need them. I was skipping that corner. Shoot, just fell off. I was skipping that corner piece, and I need it because it just makes me feel more natural, which I like. I just don't like to feel too extra during the week, okay? I have 4 kids, so I don't want to like be scaring people at the grocery store with a club vibe. You know what I mean, you guys? There's nothing wrong with a club vibe, because a lot, you know, if you're going to a club, that's fine. But I'm like picking up kids at preschool, so I gotta keep it, you know, down to earth here. See, and I almost think that I over bonded on this set, you guys. We'll see how it dries, because a lot of the times, you know, once it dries up, it's fine. Let's see if when I go over here, how it bonds. So then that's going to be like another thing I'm going to share with you guys, is that the bondage with Charcoal Flex might not be the best option for the triple bond method. So that's something to take note of here. And another thing about over bonding is it's gonna make it harder for you to reuse your lashes. So I'm noticing right now there's just a lot more bondage on my eyelash, and that is going to make it, you know, a little bit more difficult for me to clean my lashes. But I'll keep you guys posted, because there's the difference between the lash dye and then the non-lash dye, so you guys can see. You guys always like to see those. Really try to get it really nice on that waterline, really clean. You can see that it's building up that eye right there. I don't know, like I said, to me, you guys, I over bonded today. So that's the lesson of this video. Can you over bond? Absolutely. That's probably what I did. And over bonding is, I'm going to struggle with reusing my lashes. So there's going to be a ripple effect from over bonding today. So lesson learned. I'm going through all this with you guys. That's why I make videos, is over bonding is a real issue.
Bye.